Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Veronica, known as Data Geek is my name. So let me ask you, are you trying to install Python, Visual Studio, which is VS Code, and Jupyter Notebook, but don't know where to start? Well, in this beginner tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step so you can be ready to code less than 10 minutes. No experience required. So let's get started. Step 1, install Python. So we're going to install Python first. Open a browser and go to python.org/downloads. You want the latest version of Python, so click on the yellow button, Download Python 3.14. It will then download on Windows. You will see the download process on the top right corner. Once downloaded, click to open. You will see this window and click Install Python. Wait for the download. Once completed, it will pop up a Windows AP asking you your app execution alias settings are configured to launch other commands besides py and Python. To fix this, open the Manage App Execution Aliases settings page and enable Python default and Python install manager. Open settings now. Y for yes, N for no. So I choose no because Windows will still finish the installation even if you skip this step. Now, if you get that same message, you can put Y for yes and it will take you to Windows settings page. Just make sure the two Python items are turned on. Python for default, Python install manager. But don't worry, even if you skip it like I did, Python still installs correctly and we'll fix everything inside VS Code anyway. Now let's make sure Python installed into your computer properly. We're going to open up a command prompt. So go to Windows to search and type command prompt to open it. Type Python -- version. You should see the Python 3.14.0. This is the Python we just installed. Now Python is ready. Part 2, install VS Code. In your browser, go to code.visualstudio.com. Click the download for Windows button. You will see the download process on the top right. Click on it once it's done. Accept the agreement and click Next. On this page, leave setting as is and click Next. Now click on the Install button. I'll stop here because I already have VS Code installed on my computer. Once you have it installed, search the VS Code in Windows, type Visual Studio and open it. Once you have Visual Studio opened, we will now go to step 3, where we will install the Python and Jupyter Notebook extensions. On the left side, click on the extensions right here. In the search bar, type Python. You want the one that says Microsoft and click on Install. Click on Trust Workspace and install. Python is now installed in VS Code. Now, let's install Jupyter Notebook. Again, type in the search bar, Jupyter Notebook. You want the one with Microsoft and click Install. Once installed, we will open up a terminal. Click the 3 dots here at the top and click on Terminal and New Terminal. Then you will see a new terminal pop up at the bottom. In the terminal, type Python -m pip install notebook. If it doesn't work, then type pip install notebook. Let me drag this up to make it wider. Now type in the terminal Python -m pip install Jupyter Lab or pip install Jupyter Lab. Once installed, click on Control plus Shift plus P. This allows you to search at the top. Now type in interpreter and click Python select interpreter. This will show the Python version you are using. If you have more than one, like me, you will select the one you need, such as the 3.14.0. Now open up a new file. Go to File here on the top left, click on New File, and select from the dropdown Jupyter Notebook. You will now have a new Jupyter Notebook opened. Click in the box, or we call it cell, and type in your Python code. Print Hello Python and click on the play button on the left of the cell. Select the Python version and wait for it to run. It might ask you if you want to run the app and click on Allow. Then you will see your output, Hello Python. Now you can add another cell by clicking on Code at the top. There is also a Markdown. This is for text and not code. I'll type in step 1, for example. You can run all cells or restart Python or clear all outputs. You can also delete a cell by clicking on the trash can here. And that is it. You're now ready to start learning Python the right way with a clean 2025 setup that beginners can use for data analysis, AI, machine learning, and more. If you want a free starter pack course with a CSV file and Python code notebook and beginner Python exercises, the link is in the description below. Make sure to subscribe for more Python, SQL, and Power BI tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video.